Hello and welcome to the BBC News. It's the 15th of April. Today's headlines. Teacher talk is boring. In a survey of over 33 different learning approaches, teacher talk was rated as students' most least popular method of learning activity. Research suggests teaching talk is ineffective, yet it continues to be used over 60% of the time within the primary school. Teacher talk is a didactic, teacher-centered learning method, largely ineffective but still commonly used. The research suggests that teachers who effectively use teacher talk do not use it in isolation, but use it as a range of other teaching strategies, including aspects such as exciting body language, visual aids and ICT, like this film, that brings teaching into the 21st century. With that in mind, this lecture tries to demonstrate some effective, practical, pedagogic approaches to teaching in the foundation subjects.